My dear colleagues and former students, today is the Teachers' Day and I would like to connect with all of you. I have much attached with my residents and my students in my during my work as a professor. I have started as a teacher my career from 1982 at BJ Medical College. My PG teacher was Dr. Bharat H. Shah, and I worked under him for 13 years. Then I joined professor and head of department at VS Hospital, and I worked till 2015. I make the institute recognized for PG courses there. Then after retirement, I joined Surendranagar Shiv Shah Medical College for 2 years, and I also make it recognized. After that, I joined GCS Medical College, Naroda at Ahmedabad, to make it recognized by MCI. And I worked there in the 5 years there, and it was also recognized for the PG courses. From this career, I have got more than 100 students I have trained under me, and whenever they give me contact or call me, we respond very reciprocally with them, and not only with the professional but their personal life also. We have very good attachment with their family members, their parents and their kids also, and their spouse also. I am really very happy. They work very hard, and whatever I have given them during my teaching tenure, they are applying in their practice, and they are reaching their heights of the practice. I am very happy to see all are working very successfully in their career and progressed it up to their height. And really very much impressed by the certain students who have worked academically also and work in the practice also. And so this is my success. Sometimes they say, okay, why madam you have not joined practice earlier? You may have a very flourished practice during that period because of the emptying. No professors are practicing. Female are lacking during that time. But I remember that after Dr. Franny Bilimoria, I am in second position, and we work together as a full-time professor and make all students trained under us, and really I am very happy to see their success in the practice. And I say this is my success. When the one student is trained under me, remember me and make their career according to our rules and all the regulations, and they get good success in their practice. That is my achievement. I believe in that. All my students are very career oriented and have the very good success in their practice. So I would like to say, in the Teachers' Day, my blessings are always with them, and I wish they get more and more academically as well as in their practice, more and more success in their life. I do remember all my students which are spread in Gujarat, not only in Gujarat but all over the country also, and internationally also. My very bright student is staying in USA, that is Anusha Parikh. And I remember all my students, every year they gives me the hello to me, and whenever meet me in the CME or in conferences, they like to, and I also like to interact with them. So I am really very happy to know each and every students. So whenever I met them, I am really happy to ask about their family and their practice career also, both simultaneously, and to meet them in every conferences or any CME. I love to see them and ask about all the success in their practice. And my blessings are always with them to more and more progress in their life. with academic and as a profession. On this Teachers' Day, I love to talk with you and connect with all of my students and spread the message. Do whatever I have given you training, that put in your practice and have a grand success in your career. Happy Teachers' Day to all my loving students.
I'm Dr. Sushma Bansal, and I joined Skin Department in Civil Hospital in 2001, where I had the privilege to get trained under Dr. Ranjan Rawal ma'am. Ranjan ma'am has immense knowledge and dedication and great ability to push to the limits of her students. Her passion for teaching and genuine care for the students' success has made a lasting impact on me. What stood out most was her way of teaching, which made complex things to understand very easily and to push us to the limits to learn. I am truly grateful for the guidance and support I received under her mentorship.
So happy Teachers' Day to our dearest ma'am, Dr. Ranjan Rawal. She is not only a mentor but a mother and a constant motivator throughout her life to pursue great education and keep up to the knowledge in field of dermatology. I am so happy that you are an integral part of my life and have made what I am today. Ranjan ma'am is a teacher with great kindness, a different kind of methodology of teaching where love is an equal proportion of the knowledge which she has shared with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, and happy Teachers' Day again.
Hello, I am Dr. Ritu Marfatia, practicing dermatologist at Pragati Nagar, Ahmedabad. Ranjan ma'am, a teacher like no other, with the sweetest personality, the loveliest smile, the healing touch, and a kind heart. I am so fortunate to have studied under you, ma'am. You taught us not just dermatology, which laid the foundation for our future, but also how to treat patients with empathy. Your never-ending passion for learning and teaching is an inspiration for us all. I wish that you remain healthy and continue to teach many future generations to come. Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Daksha Shah, practicing dermatologist in Navranpur, Ahmedabad. On this Teachers' Day, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Ranjan Madam, who has profoundly shaped my journey in dermatology and for being an exceptional mentor, guide and inspiration. Ma'am, your passion for dermatology and dedication to teaching have shaped me into the dermatologist I am today. Your guidance, support and encouragement have meant the world to me. You have not only taught me the intricacies of dermatology, but also instilled in me the importance of compassion, empathy, and kindness in patient care. Thank you for believing in me, pushing me to excel, and being a constant source of motivation. I aspire to emulate your expertise, work ethic, and commitment to excellence. Happy Teachers' Day, Madam. I'm honored to be your student and look forward to making you proud. Thank you.